Hello and welcome to Glina Aesthetic. If you're passionate about paint production and dream of turning that passion into a successful business, you have come to the right place. Here at Glina Aesthetic, we take you from zero experience to a professional certified paint manufacturer. Whether you are a complete beginner or looking to elevate your skills, we have got you covered. Our mission is simple: to teach you how to produce high quality paint, color mixing, and identify fake chemicals, creating a standard branding, and master marketing and packaging. We also guide you on how to distribute your product across different shops, secure contracts, and build confidence in your production skills. Starting a paint production business might seem deteriorating, but we are here to make it straightforward and enjoyable. We break down the entire process into manageable steps, ensuring you have a solid foundation before moving on to the advanced techniques. To get started, check out our Beginner's Guide to Paint Production playlist. Here, we cover the basic understanding raw materials, essential equipment, and the step-by-step process of mixing and producing your first batch of paint. We'll show you how to mix your base material accurately, ensuring consistencies and quality in every batch. You will learn the science behind paint, from pigments to binders, and how to achieve the perfect velocity. One of the most crucial skills in paint production is identifying and avoiding fake chemicals. We provide in-depth tutorial on how to recognize genuine materials and chemicals, which is essential for maintaining the quality of your product and ensuring safety. Creating a brand that stands out in the market is another key aspect of our channel. We guide you through the branding process, from designing a logo of your paint brand to picking a name and choosing a color plate that represents your business. Packaging plays a significant role in attracting customers. Here at Glina Aesthetic, we teach you how to design and produce attractive, functional packaging that not only protects your brand but also enhances its appeal in different places. Marketing your paint product effectively can make or break your business. We cover various marketing strategies, including digital marketing, social media, and traditional advertisement, to help you reach a wide audience and boost your sales. We also provide tips on how to distribute your paint product across different shops and secure lucrative contracts. From crafting a compelling pitch to negotiating terms, we equipped you with the skills to expand your market research. Building confidence in your production ability is a journey, and we are here to support you every step of the way. Our tutorials cover advanced techniques, troubleshooting, common issues, color mixing, do-it-yourself video, and optimizing your product process for maximum efficiencies. Seeing the satisfaction of your customers and the success of your business is the ultimate reward. Our community is here to share their experiences, tips, and support, helping you grow and strive. Thank you for joining us at Glina Aesthetic. We are excited to help you on your journey to becoming a professional, certified paint manufacturer. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss any updates. Dive into our playlist, get inspired, and start creating today.